Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by fixing the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Pick the topic and a concise title that signals scope. Next, collect 3-5 definitive images and one dominant emblem to anchor the layout, because visuals guide reader focus. Once done, set the page size and orientation, A4 or 8, 5x11, so all proportions work. You should also pick 2 typefaces now, one for headings and one for body text. This saves rework later. You now construct the central composition. Establish a grid with margins and 1 to 2 columns to control spacing. This avoids clutter. Place the title prominently, subtitle below it, and set the dominant image to lead the eye, larger, slightly offset, and aligned with the grid. Once balanced, apply a restrained color palette, 2 primaries and 1 accent, to convey period tone. Make sure to assign type sizes for hierarchy so headings, captions, and body are instantly readable. You finish by polishing and exporting. Proofread text, confirm image resolution at 300 dpi, and export a PDF with embedded fonts and crop marks for printing. Once done, inspect legibility, contrast, and alignment on screen and in a print preview. If something misaligns or prints poorly, reduce visual elements, increase clear space, and re-export. This troubleshooting step fixes busy covers and improves printer compatibility. Finally, save a master editable file for later edits before submitting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.